Good AM. Today is January 4, 2024, Thursday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Store 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 4, 2024, Thursday. Here are the STL Store 3 10:30 AM result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for January 4, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of January 4, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.